I've always said this: the bigger the pain, the bigger the success. The greater the challenge, the sweeter is the glory. The bigger the test, the better when you pass. In a simple term, when you are challenged with tough things, with difficult situations, the more that situation is tough, the depth determines the sweetness. Let me give you an example. If somebody who has been in the challenge of competing at a national level for athletics wins, and then if somebody who has been competing at the Olympics level, that's international level, wins, between the two, which challenge is bigger? I guess you know the challenge of winning at national level is smaller than the one of winning at international level. Then the question also comes, which victory is bigger and sweeter? To those who love football, which fixture would you wish your team not to meet? I guess it is Real Madrid or Manchester City. Nobody wants to play. Nobody wishes to meet them. But everybody wishes to beat them. So when you meet Real Madrid or Man City, it's a very big, difficult test. It's a big challenge. But the question is, what if you beat Manchester City, or what if you beat Real Madrid? Compared to when you beat club like Aston Villa or a club like Nantes in France. The feeling of beating Real Madrid and the feeling of beating Manchester City is more sweeter than beating those small teams. And that's why I have always said the bigger the challenge, the sweeter is the victory. This is in real life situation. This translates in real life situations. For example, if you say, like, you're going through interview to become a line manager and an interview to become the main manager, which one is more difficult? I guess the one for becoming the main manager is more difficult than the one of becoming a line manager. So, but then the benefits that come as a manager is better than the ones that happens when you are just a line manager. And that is what is called a bigger, when you jump over a bigger obstacle, you jump higher. When you jump over a deeper valley, you still remain, you jump higher. So this is how it is. This is how the altitude dictates. And this is the law of life. So if you want a better success, you need to be ready to fight greater obstacles. You need to be ready to be faced with bigger challenges. And therefore it means bigger pain, which comes with bigger price. Pay the price. Thank you.